Choose the novelty item that was sold as a living pet. Was it sea monkeys, pet rock, or chia pet? B. Pet rock. What did a mood ring claim to reveal? Body temperature, emotional state, or tomorrow's weather? B. Your emotional state. On a CB radio, did 10-4 mean message received, emergency ahead, or end the conversation? A. Message received. America celebrated this event in 1976, 100 years of statehood, 200 years of independence, or 250 years since settlement. B. 200 years of independence. Look at the photos. Which one became famous in 1971? Electric fondue pot, pressure cooker, or crock pot? Crock pot. Now leave the obvious nostalgia behind and prove you remember how the 70s actually work. Why did 8-track tapes not need rewinding? An endless tape loop, 2 recording heads, or a reversible cartridge? Playing from a TV? Give a like! A. An endless tape loop. Which bedroom item became a 1970s craze? Waterbed, Murphy bed, or brass daybed? A. Waterbed. One outfit below defined 1970s men's fashion. Was it the safari uniform, dinner suit, or leisure suit? C. Leisure suit. What did a CB radio handle mean? Your location, nickname, or radio model? B. Your nickname. Which item does not belong in this 1970s room? 8-track player, compact disc player, or beanbag chair? B. Compact disc player. Remember green stamps? What were they used for? Postage, weekly lotteries, or merchandise? C. Save them for merchandise. Which retailer mailed the famous Wish book? Sears, Woolworth, or Montgomery Ward? A. Sears. This decided odd or even gasoline buying days. Was it your home address, license plate number, or vehicle model year? B. Rigid plate number. Which product stretched a pound of ground beef? Shake and bake, rice-a-roni, or hamburger helper? C. Hamburger helper. One item below had the first UPC scan. Was it coffee, breakfast cereal, or Wrigley's gum? C. Wrigley's gum. Who controlled many airline routes and fares? Individual airports, Civil Aeronautics Board, or aircraft manufacturers? B. Civil Aeronautics Board. Remember Blue Light Special? Name the store that used it. Woolco, Sears, or Kmart? C. Kmart. This device let families record TV shows. Was it the VCR, video jukebox, or laser projector? A. VCR. Complete the slogan. Have it your way, fresh today way, or hot and ready? A. Your way. The first photo will switch. What changed? The cashier's apron, grocery bags, or the milk? C. Milk changed to eggs. Small details matter. What issue inspired the first Earth Day? Space exploration, environmental protection, or highway safety? B. Environmental protection. One passenger railroad began in 1971. Was it Conrail, Amtrak, or Metro North? B. Amtrak. Title IX bans sex discrimination in what area? Military service, homeownership, or federally funded education? C. Federally funded education. There was a rule that aimed to save fuel in the 1970s. Was it A. 55 mile per hour speed limit, car-free Sundays, or mandatory carpools? A 55 mile per hour speed limit. Which 1978 agreement is shown in this photo? SALT II, Camp David Accords, or Panama Canal Treaty? B. Camp David Accords. Radio Shack sold this computer in 1977. Was it the TRS-80, Altair 8800, or Commodore 64? A. TRS-80. Which federal agency began operating in 1970? EPA, FEMA, or OSHA? A. EPA. Which channel used satellite TV in 1975? Showtime, HBO, or ESPN? B. HBO. Which order is correct from earliest to latest? C. 1, 2, 3. Which pictured event happened first? Walt Disney World opens, Bicentennial Tall Ships, or 3 Mile Island? Walt Disney World opens. These final 10 are built for viewers who remember more than bell bottoms and disco. Which 1970s TV show fits all three clues? Sanford and Son, The Waltons, or All in the Family? C. All in the Family. Which of these debuted first? Walt Disney World, Pong, or Monday Night Football? C. Monday Night Football. One movie premiered first in the 70s, The Dukes of Hazzard, Smokey and the Bandit, or Convoy? B. Smokey and the Bandit. Complete the headline. Ford to City, drop blank. Out, dead, or taxes? B. Dead. What 1970s problem connects these images? A national blackout, a transportation strike, or the energy crisis? The energy crisis. Stay for the bonus question. Which product used this famous slogan? I can't believe I ate the whole thing. Alka-Seltzer, Pepto-Bismol, or Tums? Alka-Seltzer. Which event did not happen in the 1970s? First portable mobile phone call, first space shuttle launch, or first summer blockbuster? B. First space shuttle launch. Who greeted people with Nanu Nanu? Fonzie, J.J. Evans, or Mork? C. Mork. Which order is correct from earliest to latest? Answer A. Memorize this photo for the next question. What sat beside the green telephone? Brass clock, ceramic owl, or stack of records? B. A ceramic owl. Bonus! What band released the 1977 album Rumors? Comment your guess. Comment your score and the 170s memory this quiz brought back. Remember to subscribe to stay Quizmar smart.